Hello Galaxy, I had a chance to pop in to the store to pick up additional merch. I'm not going to show you one of these things because it's a surprise for Jedi and it has nothing to do with Star Wars. But it is food that she once ate that we can't easily get anymore. That is my receipt that I'm shoving into my pocket so I don't lose it. The reason why I'm sitting down to show you this is because I'm actually going to unbox something. But let me first show you a couple of the launch day items that I did not see yesterday in my travels. This is like a lanyard that lights up. So let me go ahead and pull this out for the first time. Boop. So theoretically, if I can find, is there a switch? There we go. So it lights up, the Falcon lights up, but so does the lanyard. Really neat. So I don't know if this is just available today. I doubt it, but it does say landing, so it may be unique, one per customer. I thought that was wild. And then I also picked up, because, you know, I could and should, if I can find it, there we go, launch day pin. I'm not a pin collector, but, you know, since I am here, I figured I might as well have a memento. They gave us unique items in our bag for media. I'll showcase them soon enough, and I'm going to have also kind of like my Galaxy Edge haul video, but you know, I wanted to get this out there today, if only because this is like launch day merch. Also found this for Jedi. This is new. She's always looking for a way to kind of push back her hair. I might just wear these around the park today myself. You know, I'll have to remove the tag though, of course. But anyway, so this I thought was rather neat. She has one that she loved with the Santa cap on it, but this one is definitely a bit more sturdy, and I think will hold her hair back just nicely. That, and well, this is not as interesting, but I thought it'd be kind of fun. They're dog balls, but very, very lightweight. Saw those a couple of days ago, and I thought, yeah, I'd get that. Very, very lightweight, so none of this is really going to add to the bag, except for possibly this, and this is what I wanted to unbox. They have 3 unique sets with Galaxy's Edge. This was the one that I picked up yesterday, but I really wanted to open it, if only because I would love to have a Mountain Trooper to pose. Already have a Kylo Ren, did not have a Mouse Droid 6-inch figurine, or a Commander Pyre. So I believe this is the only way to get a Commander Pyre or a Mountain Trooper unique to Galaxy's Edge. So I have one packed away in the suitcase, and this one I'm going to actually physically open / unbox, because I'm going to remove the figures. I don't need 2 full boxes. I did not opt to pick up a set that has Rex in it. Maybe down the line, that would be kind of neat. I can't justify every single cost, and I did have a mental budget. I've been definitely thrifting items like food and clothing to better be able to enjoy items like this. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out. We have the Mountain Trooper, a Kylo Ren, and Mouse Droid right up here, 6-inch scale. Rather nice. I'm going to pull those out of the plastic. Let me first pull this out, just to show you. Just a plain, like the Black Series, just a plain black, or red background. Also, it seems that, you'll be able to open and display them if you want to. So that's nice. I missed that particular detail yesterday. I also passed on picking up a separate set with Rey, 2 new porgs in the 6-inch scale, and Rey 6-inch scale, and then a Chewbacca. But that one has a Hondo Ohnaka, and I'm like, I'm not as compelled to get that right now. Maybe eventually I'll pick up a set, but I imagine those Hondo Ohnakas are going to sell for outrageous amounts, and you might as well have picked up the full set. That was kind of my thinking. So let me go ahead and place that there. I'm going to set everything to the side, pull out, wow. There's probably a better way of doing this as I'm making a scene. Commander Pyre, wow, this is beautiful. This is fantastic. If you watch Star Wars Resistance, and if not, you should, because it's an amazing show. Even Jedi loves it. Commander Pyre is a great character, and this is probably the only way that he's going to be coming out in the 6-inch scale. I do wonder if we're going to see Commander Pyre walking around Batu eventually. His weapon is also matching. Hopefully I'm not going to lose the accessories here either, because I don't really have a place to put them. I guess I'm just going to wrap them up in the bag and just shove the bag in there. Mouse droid. I have the Mouse Droid 3 3/4 inch scale that comes with Commander Hux, or General Hux, who's available right now for about $2. So did not have this scale of the Mouse Droid. Kylo Ren I've had before. I don't think this is a different sculpt. Maybe it's a different cloak though. We'll see if we can get him to stand. Sometimes, the reason why I love 5 POA is that the super articulated figures tend to be a bit more finicky in terms of getting to stand and balance. But once you get them going, they're good. Let me move you over here a little bit, Pyre. I probably should just put your weapon in your hand at this stage. It's probably going to fall out. It's quite all right. All right, Pyre, you do your thing. Oh, gotta be very, very careful lifting Kylo's blade out. You know, I'm almost tempted to keep the blade in, because I think I can get this in the suitcase without ruining anything. Looks like Pyre also comes with this weapon. You can see it well enough. At least it was next to Pyre, because I'm worried that's gonna break or bend or kind of get lost in the shuffle. I don't think I'm going to be popping the figurines back in. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. I'm trying to think of how to do this effect. I know what I'm going to do. I have mini pockets in my vest. I'm actually going to put them in the pocket up here. So that way I know I'll have the weapons accounted for. I'm not going to worry about putting the lightsaber in Kylo's hand. I'm going back into the park. I got my reservation for Hyperspace Mountain coming up, so once again, I have to thank Disney for making all this possible. Not just, oh, do we have plastic holding him back? No, okay. Come on, Mountain Trooper. Sometimes, they're in there really good. Sometimes they use, as you know, plastic clips to keep the figures from moving around. Not the case here. Just trying to do this without any kind of weaponry, literally, like any kind of knife. It's not really good to travel with knives. Some people do. Good on you. I'm not that kind of guy. Boy, getting this is a challenging one here. How am I gonna do this? Seriously. This one's gonna be a bit difficult. Okay, I may have to hold that weapon to the side and pull it out in a bit right there, because both ends are kind of tied in and I have no other way of clipping. But the Mountain Trooper and and Commander Pyre were the reason that I would have wanted this particular set, because I love troopers. I love characters that have masks like this. This was the best set for me to get with masks and droids. I'll be showcasing the other things that I got soon as I get home. I'm not sure how many of them I'm going to open. I know a fair amount I will be opening. Some of them are going to stay in the package. Some unique things that I could not get, I'm going to be tapping friends. If you are going to Galaxy's Edge or Disneyland at some point in the future, let me know. And I'm serious, because I couldn't get a Coke ball. They didn't have any, so I'm looking to get that. I'm looking to possibly get duplicates of some other figure sets. I love the Build-A-Droids, the small ones. I did that as well. That was kind of fun. I should have worn this the whole time doing this, but now it would have distracted. It's just glowing in the background here. Oh, it's got different modes? Oh yeah, it's got different modes. I didn't know that. Okay, I'm going to turn it off for now. Don't want to waste the battery. Can of course replace the batteries. But anyway, thank you for joining me on this micro adventure. I wish I could do this, on a far more regular basis. Disney is not around the corner, of course, but I love Star Wars through and through, and probably more than just about anything else. Not anyone else. I love my family. But thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking with me. If there's any other kind of Star Wars content you'd like to see me do, like I said, I'm more than happy to do it. May the Force be with you.